Alden Richards, happy for Catherine Bernardo. She deserves ayon sa kanya. Alden Richards shared his thoughts on his former co-star Catherine Bernardo, expressing his delight and witnessing her personal and professional growth. Richards was among the guests at the Bingo Plus anniversary event last March 2, hosted at the Grand Hyatt Hotel in Taguig. Sa kapanayam ng ABS-CBN, quick interview, the actor couldn't contain his excitement when asked about the fans' request regarding a potential and sequel to the blockbuster hit Hello Love Goodbye. Ito po ay pinag-uusapan ang pelikula nila noon ng Hello Love Goodbye kung saan ay talagang hatak sa takilya. Samantala, he went to the express his interest and mentioning the importance of awaiting for the opportunity to work on the project. Alden also lauded Catherine's current status, nothing her refreshing and significant growth in life, especially in her career. Nakakatuwa na I'm really seeing her, parang coming out of the shell. Kita mo sa kanya and it manifests. So ayon po sa pag-spoke about his former screen partner na si Alden Richards. And he continued, the photos and video that we see and the project that she has been doing really say a lot about of state of mind right now and the condition of her life right now. She deserved that. It is worth nothing that Catherine recently renewed and her contract with the Kapamilya Network, letting her fans anticipate the next project and the future. Samantala si Catherine naman ay forever kapamilya and she renews contract with ABS-CBN last month lang. The Star Magic officially announced that box office queen Catherine Bernardo will remain kapamilya forever. When asked if he had already communicated with Catherine, Alden assured that the public that they had maintained their strong friendship over time. Samantala nakakamusta natin siya and at the same time, yung friendship never naman mawawala ever since dahil may pinagsamahan naman kami sa pelikula noon. So andoon yung friendship namin, hindi yun mawawala. And Alden, Catherine previously worked together Hello Love Goodbye 2019 kung saan ay hatak sa takilya and were their own screen chemistry garnered and widespread and claimed nationwide. Ang nakakatuwa dito yung sinabi talaga ni Alden na syempre nakakatuwa and I'm really seeing there na parang coming out of shell. Kita mo sa kanya So, she deserved. Yan ang naging saad ng aktor na si Alden Richards matapos mapag-usapan ang Hello Love Goodbye co-star na si Catherine Bernardo sa isang interview ng ABS-CBN News. At syempre naman natutuwa ang mga netizens sa ganda ng paliwanag ni Alden Richards na sinasabi niya yung friendship nandyan lang yan, hindi yan mawawala. At may pinagsamahan naman kami sa pelikula kaya syempre naman she deserved and I'm happy for her. Samot-saring reaksyon ng mga netizens at nagbigay sila komento, nagpapasalamat, sana raw ay magkakaroon muli ng project ang Catherine. Ang ibang mga fans naman ay tinatawag na silang Catherine. Kung matatandaan din po na mayroon pong sinabi si Alden, siya po ay na-interview din during the awards of Walk of Fame. Nagkaroon siya ng award na tinatanong siya ng interviewer about sa project nila ni Catherine. Sabay sagot si Alden na coming soon at sabay alis siya. Pero yung kanyang pagkasabi na tila kinikilig, nakangiti. Hindi lang ngiti, halakhak talaga. na makikita mo sa kanyang mata na may something pinaghahandaan talaga sila ng project with Catherine. So far, wala pa silang ina-update kung ano, pero ayon sa karamihan, hindi naman basta-basta na i-announce, i-voice out yan dahil nga magkakalat lang sa social media. Pero syempre, tuwang-tuwa ang mga netizens na kung magkakaroon man sila ng project, lalo susuportahan nila. Yung unang susuporta sa kanila yung mga fans, agad ha, nagkakaroon kagad sila ng account, Kathleen Official.